Hello friends, welcome to my channel. How you guys doing? This is Fab Crypto, right? All right, so hope you guys are having a good time. All right, so in today's video, guys, we're going to dive deep into Bitcoin, and I'll be explaining to you the next potential trade you wouldn't want to miss. All right, so hope you guys have subscribed. Please kindly subscribe on. All right, so yesterday we made a video that Bitcoin has completed has broken out of this long falling wedge. You can see, and I put this arrow down, pointing down. There will be a correction before the breakout. All right, there will be a correction before the breakout. Now, how deep this correction is going to go is what we're going to answer today, and show you the next potential trade that might be of interest to you. All right, because the reason we all need to take this next trade that will be coming is because nobody knows exactly if actually Bitcoin has completed the cycle that I'm about to show you very soon in this video. All right, because there is a cycle we're expecting all this while. All right, that 5-wave move down. If Bitcoin actually has completed it and is about to totally reverse upward. All right, so now if you take a look on this slight movement. Now, why do we need to take this? Number one reason is this. Have it in mind that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're expecting a 3-wave down. Okay, so after that 3-wave down, we're expecting another 5-wave up. All right, so if you understand what I'm saying, then that is like if you come down to 15 minutes here, you can see clearly that this is a first wave. We can see this to be a second wave, and this is a third wave down. But there is an exception. If actually Bitcoin breaks this, if it breaks this previous high here, that might invalidate this, because except it becomes a kind of expanding flat. Okay, so but the only way it will be completed is when it has broken out of this wedge. Sorry, out of this previous high. Okay, but what you'll be seeing, the only time you are permitted to take this trade is when you see something like this, guys. Okay, something like this, which will happen, definitely happen. So it's either Bitcoin starts reversing from here, which is possible, okay, to give us at least to this level, or it breaks out, it breaks this one and still give us this. Okay, so wait for this kind of correction, and there you go. Okay, so why do I think that Bitcoin will be breaking out from here and be giving us a potential gain that might also get to let me show you a potential target that might actually get to this high, breaking this previous high. Okay, that's like 42 range. Okay, from this 32 range now to 42 range, that's like 10,000 profits. So why do I think such is possible? Now let's go to daily, and I will show you something that will actually interest you. Now let me remove all this so I make it clear. So if you take a look on this on the daily, which will be telling you guys that we've seen this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you know, we've been talking about this 5-wave, that the characteristics of a 5-wave is that it must actually break this low. Now, if you take a look on what has been going on in the market, 5 waves are short-lived, okay, because most times they will just tag this previous low and they will bounce off. So which has actually happened, because we saw with our clear eyes that Bitcoin actually tagged this low. Actually, it tagged this, it break this low. So making this can be the only 5-wave we'll be seeing. Okay, this can be the only 5-wave we'll be seeing. Now, from the point of elliotwave, all these are completed. Okay, so all this is a rule that we understand, and actually the market followed. So let's watch out and see. Now, the only way, what we will be looking at for now is we can place this this stuff here. Okay, so let's place this trend, which is valid now. So this trend is valid. This one is already, let's remove all this because we've already counted this. All right, so if you remove all these stuff here, so this trend that we are placing now is valid. So what we'll be looking at for now is if Bitcoin actually breaks this place now, Okay, so it's coming here to test it, and if it breaks here, there we go. Okay, because this is breaking out of this massive correction that have been going on ever since the month of April. All right, so breaking out of this trend, guys, breaking out of this trend will be a completion that this whole move is over. Okay, this whole move is over, breaking out of this trend, guys. So let's watch and see if Bitcoin will break out of this and break out of this. So but if it didn't break out of this, that means it's still correcting itself, and we still need to wait for more correction. Okay, so that is just something you need to have in the back of your mind. So but let's just wait for confirmation, guys, because after analysis you wait for confirmation for you to jump into the trade. So if you take a look on Ethereum, as we said last time, that it has actually completed the B wave. So let me show you again in case you didn't watch the last video. This is a B wave, or ABC, B wave. So what we'll be looking at for this is A, this is B, we are looking at for C, okay, which is clear. So what you should be looking at for now is to buy setup, not sell setup. On Ethereum, you should be looking at for buy setup, not sell setup. So what might happen is 1, 2, 3, 4. There might still be a small drop here that will come here before this one goes. Okay, so but watch out for buy setup here on Ethereum, and there we go. Okay, so watch out for buy setup. The best place you can place your buy, the safest place you can place your buy is here. Okay, followed by here. Okay, so the reason is that, you know, just breaking here, just a confirmation that it's a complete structure. But if you understand structure as we do, you can place it, you know, even as this market tanks, you can place it here. All right, any low it makes, you can buy in, and that is what we do. But just trade what you understand too. Okay, so that's just it. Now let's take a look on Dogecoin. Dogecoin, guys. Dogecoin, what are we seeing here? All right, so if you take a look on Dogecoin, you can see that the market, this is the low, not this. This one is the low here. The market is giving us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so it's correcting itself. This correction is not determined. Let me check it on 15 minutes to see actually. Okay, it's like a contracting flat. So which side are we breaking? We are breaking upward. Okay, so it means that the market is still going up, but let's go to the 4 hours so we can have a sense of direction. Okay, good. You can see bigger time frame always show us where the market is going. So if you come to 4 hours, you can see the market actually gave us this 1, 2, 3 completed, and it makes this sharp wave. After that, it has been going in sideways. So we have this 1, 2, 3 completed. So what we'll be seeing now is a big move up that will be coming. Nobody actually know how high this one gonna go, but for you to determine this, you need to measure this. You need to measure this. I think we've done it before. You measure this wave that happens here. All right, so this wave, and drop it here. So actually we'll be seeing something like here, that the market will come here. Okay, we'll completing this wave. I'll be coming down. Then when this will happen, that is when this whole move will be completed. So we have A, P, C. It will be after this that you'll be looking for a complete buy setup for this next move. Okay, so but before this will play out, now you can check out how long it took Dogecoin to play this. It's like a month, if I'm not mistaken. It's like a month. This is 24. Okay, so let's watch out for this. Let's watch out for this, a completion of this. So from here now to here now will be like May to June or July. This one haven't started yet. Let's say like 2-3 months or so. Okay, so it can get more complex than that, but that's just the least we'll be expecting. So why am I saying that it might be difficult for you to go from here. So it's still under this complex correction mode. So let's watch for it. All right, guys, I wouldn't want this video to be long, so that is just what we are drawing your attention. Now, let me close with this. There's something you should always have in the back of your mind, and that is this market cap BTC dominance. Market cap BTC dominance. This chart tells you the dominance percentage of BTC to market cap, right? Okay. So here now like 46.95%. You know, meaning that BTC to the 1 point something trillion dollars of the total cryptocurrency market cap, that BTC is actually 46% dominance than the rest. All right, so what does this thing tells you? Two things. Anytime the market cap is going down, okay, anytime it's going down, altcoin go up. All right, altcoins, they will normally go up. So like here now, altcoins is going up, going down, going up, sorry, here altcoin is going up, but now as it's going up, altcoin is going down. Okay, so if you understand structure, this will just be like a secret for you to make a good decision in the market. All right, so looking at it now, so is it going up or going down? Well, I will leave it for you to answer. All right, but let's go to, if you go to 4 hours, sorry, for daily, you see that it's just correcting. Okay, nothing stops it from drawing down again before we decide actually if it's going to go up or down. But in a bigger frame, I see this going up. Okay, maybe in a space of a month or so, this will be going up, but it hasn't completed this correction that is said to do here. All right, so this big bull season you saw in altcoin was as a result of a break of this stuff slider. When he completed this, that was in January, it started coming down. You can see that was when you saw all those massive profits in altcoin. All right, guys, so kindly subscribe to this channel, guys. Kindly subscribe to the channel. Help us share this video with your friends, and I see you in the next video. Thank you.